National Restoration specializes in commercial and industrial restoration and repair. Through many years of experience, we have developed our Protection Promise program. With this program, we promise to serve you from the immediate emergency response through the post-construction cleanup after rebuild. The corporate management team at National Restoration has created the Protection Promise to help you create an emergency procedural plan to minimize your liabilities and decrease business interruption. As a Protection Promise customer, you have benefits such as 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, immediate emergency response time, written restoration protocol prior to commencement of work, pre-loss risk management planning, moisture control and thermal imaging report, immediate protection of your assets, access to your project information such as photos, sketches, and reports on our proprietary software, written damage scope within 24 hours of initial site visit, initiate safety procedures and minimize hazards. Additionally, as a Protection Promise customer, you have nationwide benefits such as structural drying and dehumidification for any size building, water extraction, mold remediation, fire and smoke restoration, industrial equipment restoration, electronics restoration and data recovery, document reclamation, and full construction services. To learn more about how your company can benefit from the National Restoration Protection Promise program, please call us at 1-855-24-RESTORE. That's 1-855-247-3786.